All right, hi everybody. I'm gonna show you how to wash motorcycle gear, specifically this leather perforated jacket from Dainese. Um, the reason I'm making this video is because I keep seeing people in the forums and stuff asking, how the heck do you wash gear? Like, do you use soap? Do you use cleaners? What do you use? Personally, I just use water on a paper towel like this. So I just get the paper towel wet, I wring it out, and then this is what I do, and it works perfect. So here you can see there's like some bug guts or something there. So all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put the paper towel on it. I'm gonna kind of just let it sit there, soak into the bug guts real quick. Okay. And I'm just gonna rub it a little bit. You'll see it starts coming off. And it's just water. You don't have to worry about it changing the color of the jacket or anything like that. And it's pretty much perfectly clean now. So there's a little bit on the thread there. Just wipe that off a little bit. But the point is, my point is, you don't need any special cleaners. You can use leather cleaner if you want to, but for the most part, anything you pick up out on the road, I mean, it even works on the perforation here. Anything you pick up out on the road can usually be cleaned up with just water, right? You don't need to use soap. You don't even need to use warm water. Just plain old water, making sure that it soaks into whatever material is in there, and then wiping it off. And your jacket literally knows no difference than this in just a couple raindrops, which it can totally handle. So, you know, even your really expensive leather jackets, I got this one on sale. It's not that expensive, but I use this method on the front of my helmet. I use it on all of my motorcycle clothes. It's literally just water, and it works awesome.